Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know how we do it already. Thank you for tuning in once again. So in today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to do a cap adjustment for a free size wig. So when you say a free size wig, basically a wig that can fit most people, whether you have a small head or a big head. It just depends, but this one can fit almost any head size. When you are making wigs for sale, you can make it this side and later on just do some few touches when a client buys it. Or if you're not too sure of the measurements you are using, you can actually go on and use this method, and it will fit anybody as so long as you put an adjustable elastic band in it. It's going to fit every head side. So first up, you put your mesh cap on the canvas head. You pin the middle part first, then you go ahead and pin the two back sides as well. Then you go ahead and check if everything is placed very well on the canvas side, just as you see me making all the finishing touches. Then we move on to the main cap adjustment. You see the space over there, we are trying to make it fit onto the canvas, so you pull one side with a T-pin to know what you are working with. Then you go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna have something like this. Then go ahead, take the first one, fold it down over well. So you just fold the mesh cap so that it will just create something as you can see over there, because we are looking for a shape that is going to be like a U or a C shape down there. Then you go ahead and do the side part as well. You fold it and you pull it, but you do not stretch the cap too much, because at the end of the day, if you stretch it too much, your wig is going to be too tight. So you do just as you see me. You pull it, then fold it over. Take your pin to carefully secure it, because after that we are going to sew it for a secure fit. We are just trying to make the mesh cap fit the canvas head without spaces in it, so that when we draw the guidelines, it's going to be really flat and everything is going to be seamless. This is a 22-inch canvas head, and it's mostly fit all sizes so far as you have an adjustable elastic band in it. So you go ahead and do the sewing method. When it comes to the sewing, I always like to sew from the right side with one thread and needle, then go ahead and sew the other side with also another thread and needle, so that I can end everything in the middle, because I always do not like creating knots at the beginning of my stitches. This makes it neat for me. So just as you see me do over here, you go ahead and sew one side, then you also go ahead and sew the other side. And when you get to the down part, please and please and please do not sew on the elastic part of the dome cap. Sew only on the part where you can see through, the mesh part where you can see through. Don't sew on the part that is elastic, because when you sew on it, the wig is going to be too tight, and when you wear it, you're going to end up with headaches and other. It might not even fit you or the client you are making the wig for. So do well to make sure that you are only sewing on the mesh where you can see through, and not at the ends of the cap. As you see, they're not at the where you can see that it is elastic. No, please do not sew on that part. Just sew on where you can see through the net, and you should have a shape like this, like a U or like some C that has been turned. This is how it's supposed to be. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope I was helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you have any question, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to address it. And if you have other videos you want me to make tutorials on for you, just let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do so. Thank you for tuning in once again, and I will be glad to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. So you just end with your knot, and you just get a scissors and cut everything off. It is as simple as that. Bye.